Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at a common Excel problem. How to unhide the first column, column A, when it seems impossible to select it. If you have ever tried to just select column B and click unhide, you know that it does not bring column A back. Here is the most reliable way to fix this in just a few clicks. First, go to the top left corner of your spreadsheet. Right between the row number 1 and the column letter B, you will see a small triangle button. Click that triangle. This action will select your entire worksheet. Next, make sure you are on the Home tab in the top ribbon. Move over to the right side of the ribbon, look for the cells group, and click on the Format option. From the drop-down menu, hover over Hide and Unhide, and then click on Unhide Columns. That is it. Column A will immediately reappear on your screen. If you want an even faster trick for next time, simply type A1 into the name box at the top left of your screen and press Enter. This selects the hidden cell. Then you can just go back to the Format menu and select Unhide Columns. I hope this quick tip helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple and direct tutorials. Thank you for watching.